students, welcome to your EVS class with new chapter. Name a house like this. Children, क्या आप कभी ट्रिप या फिर पिकनिक पे गए हो? I think कभी ना कभी तो गए ही होगे अपनी फैमिली के साथ या फिर अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. ऐसे ही यहाँ कुछ चिल्ड्रन हैं जो पिकनिक गए हैं एंड ये अपने व्यूज शेयर कर रहे हैं. So let's come and see. Hello friends, my name is Naseem. I live in Srinagar. Since yesterday, there are lots of activities in our school. Do you know why? Because मेरे स्कूल में एक कैंप हेल्ड होने वाला है और कंट्री के डिफरेंट स्टेट से डिफरेंट चिल्ड्रन भी आएंगे. इस कैंप में चिल्ड्रन के रहने के लिए स्कूल में बहुत सारे टेंट्स भी लगाए गए हैं. We have decorated the school beautifully. Some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers for the doors. Some children have made posters by using almond shells और कुछ children ने dry leaves से रंगोली भी बनाई थी. In the morning, we all gathered and sat down on the ground in a circle. Children brought pictures of their families and their homes. Everyone spoke about their homes. Firstly, Pain introduced himself. Hello friends, I am Pain. I have come from Holan village in Assam. It rains heavily in our place. Hence, our houses are made 10 to 12 feet above the ground. They are made on strong bamboo pillars. The interior of our houses are also made of wood. Now, it was Chameli's turn. Hello everyone, I have come from Manali, जो hilly areas में है. At our place, it rains heavily and snows as well. When it is very cold, we like to sit in the sun. Our houses are made of stones and wood and have sloping roofs. Now children, write the answers of these questions. Question number 1 is, why are houses made on bamboo pillars where Bhupen lives? Let's check the answer. The answer is, in Assam where Bhupen lives, rains a lot. So, to save the houses from floods, the houses are made on bamboo pillars. Next question is, what kind of roofs do these houses have? Answer is, these houses have sloping roofs so that the rainwater can slide off very easily from the top. Now, let's see the next question. Next question is, how does one enter these houses? Answer is, people enter these houses with the help of a small foldable ladder. Now next question is, at night the ladder is removed from these houses. Can you tell why? Answer will be, the ladder is removed to prevent harmful animals that may enter the house at night. Now, let's discuss about Chameli's house. In which area is Chameli's house? Answer is, Chameli's house is in Manali. Next question is, what is the similarity in the roof of Chameli's and Bhupen's house? Answer is, both the houses have slanting roof so that rain or snow can slide off easily. Now next question is, how do roofs help in their area? Answer will be, such roof does not allow rain or snow to collect on the roof. Now student, it's time to practice some questions given from the content. Let's see and try to understand. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word. Now students, you have to take the help of the words that are given in the brackets. And by choosing that word, you have to fill these blanks. So let's read out what's given here. House on hilly areas are made of dash. It rains heavily all over the state. Now you have to mention the name of the state here. Third is, dash houses are found in Assam. Fourth is, houses in hills built with dash roof. Fifth is, Chameli had come from dash. Now students, Here also you have to mention the name of the place. That's it for today, kids. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson very much. Till then, keep learning, keep watching your EVS videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.